Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video Channel. This is a very quick update. Please, if you know you're one of those who mined the NotCoin, when we started that mining of that NotCoin, it was like, it could be nothing. But as I'm talking to you now, I released a video a few days ago telling that Binance has announced of listing NotCoin. And it's not only Binance. Guess what? Bybit is listing it on that same 16th. That is just 2 days from now. And not only that, OKX is also listing it. So 3 strong major exchanges are listing NotCoin. Now, the issue is that before 16th, you only have a day. Today is 14th. Okay, today is... Oh, yes, you know what today is? So you just have few days. I think that should be almost a day, like a day, in order to do what you're supposed to do before the listing date. So as I'm talking to you now, you have only 1 day, that is tomorrow, between now and tomorrow, early in the day, to make withdrawal, claim your tokens. You don't just wait for listing. If you wait for listing, if you have not yet claimed your token and you're waiting for listing, then you're not going to get anything during listing. That's the announcement right away. Please go to these 3 exchanges, Bybit, Binance, OKS. They publish all this information I'm giving you now. So I'm going to show exactly how to do this. I've done mine, but there's need for me to. So you're going to take this information so seriously. Don't just see this video and say, okay, let me wait for tomorrow. You can do it right away. It's very important. Now let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, usually when you go visit your Telegram app where you have this, I'm sure you know how to do this. Except you are completely new to what is happening in the crypto world. That's why we encourage you to follow up what we are doing through this channel. Even if you're not in a group anywhere on WhatsApp, on Telegram, by following through our channel, subscribing and following us through, you're going to get every information. You can ask questions using the comment box as always. And you can also chat me directly on my WhatsApp or Telegram. Now, once you are here on Telegram, you click on check the results. What I'm going to show you now, I've already done mine, but I think I will still guide you a bit. As long as you know what you're supposed to do, you're going to get it. So once you get to this point, the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see the coin you have here. Why do you know why you're seeing 0 here? You can see withdrawing. Are you seeing it? The reason why the system rule withdrawing, because it can only drop on that date of listing. Once it's listed, it will drop. Now look at what I withdraw. Remember what the system said. I made a point the other day. I was able to gather 629,000 of this coin, and they said of the token, 1,000 token gives you 1 NotCoin. That's why the 629,000 gave me only 629 NotCoins. Nobody yet knows what this coin will start listing. And I'm going to warn you, as an expert understanding what this particular coin is going to be. This coin is going to just be like the Bitcoin, you know. So even if tomorrow you see them listing it at $1, don't rush to go say, hey, let me sell it. Never. Don't do that. Leave this coin. It's going to see what this coin is going to become. It is something too special. Binance couldn't wait to embrace this coin. It's something so special. So once you come here, you're going to see this. Definitely you're going to see it. And once you see it, that is when you start doing something. So the next thing you're going to do, definitely, just as I may not be able to do right now, you click on this place. Definitely, you are going to first of all see claim token or claim coin. You click on it, just follow the instruction, click on this place, don't click here, click on this one here, and then follow the next thing. The system will ask you to, are you going to attach through an external wallet, or you want to attach through the Ton wallet? The wallet, I'm sure for some of us, you know that there's a wallet on Telegram right now. Yes, your Telegram app now, you have a wallet, a crypto wallet. So you can also attach this, map it with your crypto wallet. So if you attach it there with your crypto wallet, so that one is so easy. If you have the Telegram wallet that has just been launched, that should be a few months ago, everyone should have it. If you don't have it, please, you are not just getting things at all. It seems you don't know what's going on in the crypto world. So if you have it, quickly use that one. That you see the options there, the Telegram wallet, you use it. Just follow the instruction and it's going to be very easy. You link it up. But if you don't use it, you're going to see the exchangers. Then when you click on the one option of exchange, I'm showing this now because I can't do it anymore since I've done it. Now, when you use the one of exchangers, you're going to see three options. The three exchangers that are already listing this coin will appear. You're going to see Binance, you're going to see Bybit, you're going to see OKX. These three exchangers, you're going to see them. They are the ones that they are listing on 16. Others may join later to list this particular coin. Now, but I'm going to tell you, anyone you're going to choose, make sure you know that it's trading. You're having this coin because you're going to trade it against USDT and other coins that you can easily convert. So every Bitcoin or crypto exchange will not allow you to trade without verifying your information. So make sure that either if you're using Bybit, let it be it's a verified account you're using. You know, when I say verified, you know what that means? Nobody's asking you to pay money. It's just all about uploading your identification and all that, put your real name and all that, verify through your facial expression and all that, recognition. So personally, I wanted to use Bybit to do this, but I have not yet verified my Bybit, so I quickly use my Binance that I already verified. And for me, in fact, it's the best because using Binance to do it, since I have few coins there, it makes it easier. And Binance is easier for me to make conversions from coin to coin and all that. You understand? So you can use a Binance, you can use your Bybit, you can use your OKS, and in each of these ones, if you don't have these accounts, then there's no way you won't have them because you can't be in a crypto project like this and you're mining NotCoin to say you don't have accounts in any of these things. You should have it. If you don't have it, let me know through the comment box. I'm going to still show you how to quickly, come up with that. And that's it. So just use the one you have. And now when you click on that one, the system will now require you to put in that wallet address, the NotCoin wallet address. I'm just using voice now to tell you what to do. The NotCoin wallet address. When the system asks you to do that, the system also asks you to also write the memo. The memo is just a tag. Some wallet address, when you want to put them, they demand not only for the address, but also for the tag. So you see the two options. All you need to do, just leave that tab, move over to the next tab and go to your either Bybit or your whatever, let's say Binance. Once you get to your wallet, any of these exchanges, just locate where you have wallets, you have deposits, click on deposit. Then when you click on deposit, you're going to see a lot of all those tokens, those coins, assets you see there. You may not likely see NotCoin as one of the listed or activated coins there, but just use the search bar, type NotCoin, you're going to see it. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see it. And the system will ask you which network. Normally for now, NotCoin is under Ton Network. Ton, T-O-N. Ton Network is a Telegram-based network, crypto network. You understand it? So it's under Ton Network. So that's the one you choose. Click on it. Once you click on it, see the system generates your wallet address of NotCoin and that memo. Just copy them one by one. Copy the crypto address, the wallet address, go and paste where the request is made on that page you started with. Go again and paste the memo and then submit. Once you submit, you're going to have this. The system is going to tell you, okay, you do all the confirmation. Is it correct? You confirm and until it's done. Once you are done, my dear, you're settled. Wait, once on 16th, automatically your coin will be sent. It's a crazy one. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, if you still want to, if you have something like BNB and all that, you can go to even Binance now and purchase so many of these NotCoin. They are giving like crazy distance. So those who have BNB now, you can buy more. If you are not able to mine this before now, you can still go to Binance to buy before the listing. Very important. Very important. Please, you don't miss this. If you already mine this coin, it'll be so regrettable if you lose it. I've had occasions where I lost coins like this. The Satoshi app, I lost 2 different coins because, like Core that is now selling at almost $2. I gathered this coin, but when it was time for verification, doing all of this, I'm saying now, I couldn't get it. I couldn't do that. So once it was over, I lost the entire coin. And that coin happened there again, I lost it. So you can't waste your life and time mining these coins that have potentials, and at the end of the day you lose them. Please follow this instruction, be guided, but don't make mistake and follow through. You're going to get it right. So make sure you're ready. May 16 is already around the corner. I just wish everyone well. It's going to be great. Please don't joke with any mining going on now on Telegram, especially the ones you see me publish on this channel, like the tap swap. I've shared about that. Please, you can ask me for the link to join that mining. I will guide you. If you want a video that will guide you on how to do it, I will guide you. Please, the next coin you shouldn't joke with is that tap swap, and the next one is the Theta Gold. These two coins, don't joke with it. In fact, not just two coins. Memefi coin. Memefi coin is another coin that one is sure banker. It's going to work. Nothing will happen about that. If you see the project of that Memefi coin, it's just like this. So it's there to stay. So don't fail to mine these coins. Ask me how to get access, and I'm going to show you. I stop at this point. If you are new to the channel, please do wait to subscribe. Make sure you get notified by clicking on that bell so that anytime we release all the videos I want to release all about this time, you cannot miss anyone. If this video makes sense to you, please don't forget to share it, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.